Morning, dear students. Myself Uddin Sagi. I am going to teach you science, class 7, chapter number 5, acids, bases, and salts. Today, now I am discussing or explaining the uses of salts. This is the remaining part of this chapter. Uses of salt. Dear students, you know very well about the common salt, common salt, table salt also you can say, table salt. Some most common salt, very famous salt. It is widely used in food industry just for flavor, as a flavor, as a taste, increase the taste. It is very effective. If not a sufficient amount, lesser or greater, the taste of food items, taste of dish is spoiled. So very sufficient amount is required for taste, for flavor, as a flavor in dishes, in food industry. As a preservative of pickle, of fish, in curing of meat, fishes, widely used in slaughterhouse, in the preparation of chemicals such as washing soda, baking soda, and caustic soda. These three sodas are related with NaCl. These three chemical items prepared with the help of sodium chloride. It is widely used in this industry. Second one, sodium bicarbonate. Sodium bicarbonate, NaHCO3. NaHCO3, sodium bicarbonate, is used as a neutralizing agent as an antacid in baking cakes, baking cake also, in bakery industry. So baking cakes and breeds and sodium bicarbonate is used in extinguisher industries also, extinguisher purpose also. Next one is sodium carbonate, Na2CO3. Na2CO3. Sodium carbonate is used as a cleaning agent for removing the permanent hardness of water. Sodium carbonate is used as a cleaning agent for removing the permanent hardness of water to manufacture in glass industry, paper industries, and especially you know very well about soap industry. Sodium carbonate. With soap, detergents, cleaning, washing the fabric, cloths purpose in this industry. Next one is KNO2, potassium nitrate. KNO3, potassium nitrate, is used to manufacture gunpowder, in firecrackers, in glass industry, and as a fertilizers also. Potassium carbonate used in fertilizer industries. Next one is potash alum, K2SO4 plus Al2SO4 whole thrice into 24H2O. K2SO4 plus Al2SO4 whole thrice into 24H2O. This is the chemical formula of potash aluminum sulfate. We can say the common name potash alum, chromic aluminum, is used to purify water. If you want to purify the water for washing purpose or for any other purpose, you can put one piece of potash alum and dip in water tank, water container. The water is purified. Copper, next one is copper sulfate, CuSO4 into 5H2O. CuSO4 into 5H2O, this is the chemical formula of copper sulfate. Is used as a electrolyte during electroplating, as a fungicide, in cleaning, sanitation, industry and textile industries also. Dear students, next part, neutralization in everyday life. First one, use of anticides. In our everyday life, so many common neutralization reactions are discussed in our daily life, which occur in our daily life. The first one is anticide. Anticides is very, very important because it is widely used in, and it is prescribed by the doctors to remove the acidity. If you feeling acidity in stomach and esophagus, acidity, indigestion, if you feel indigestion, doctor prescribe anticide, the basic. In our stomachs, you might have seen and you might have heard during the explanation by the teacher, in our stomachs secrete the HCl, hydrochloric acids. If this hydrochloric acid excrete extremely, so huge quantity of HCl is dangerous for our stomach, for our health, because this is the cause of acidity. So we remove the acid, we want to remove the acidity by the anticide, because doctor prescribed this anticide. Anticide is the base, acids, HCl is the acids. This acid plus base meet each other and prepare the neutral salt and water. So acid is dissolved, react with base and neutralize the acidity, then water also, salt product and water also. So anticide is very good syrup, very good medicines. It's yellow in color, or some tablets are also available in market. Anticide in other names. and the color of fungicide is blue. So color of its color is blue. This is also known as milk of magnesia. Solution of tablets या milk of magnesia या magnesium hydroxide or aluminum hydroxide, whatever hydroxide, metal plus hydroxide, aluminum hydroxide AgHO or magnesium MgOH or AgOH, whatever hydroxide, as there are basic in nature, but all are basic in nature. Such chemicals are called antacide. This type of chemical is called antacids. The they neutralize the excessive acid produced in the stomach. Your next topic is ant bite. Ant bite. Dear students, whenever in your life, sometime, one time, mostly, probably, you one time bited by the insect or any other insect or something else. When an ant, ant bite, it inject in our body, in the body, it inject the acid liquid. This acid liquid is called formic acid. That's why ant is also known as in formica. The name is ant is formica. So juices of formica, sting juice, sting liquid of formica is called formic acid. We can obtain formic acid into the skin. Formic acid into the inject the formic acid in the skin. The effect of the acid can be neutralized by rubbing. We can rub if the ant is bite here by the sting and inject the formic acid in our skin, in the body of his, in the skin of the body, and we want first aid, we rub this to neutralize the acid. We rub this neutralize by rubbing moist baking soda. If there is baking soda or any base available here, we can use baking soda, sodium hydrogen carbonate, NaHCO3 or calamine solution which contain zinc carbonate on the affected areas. So this zinc carbonate affected area, zinc carbonate neutralize the acid, formic acid fastly. So you feel relaxed. Dear students, now I discuss soil treatment. Third one is soil treatment. You might have seen in soil, excessive use of fertilizers is the cause. Excessive use of fertilizers makes the soil either acidic or base in nature. Excessive use of fertilizers is the cause of acidic or basic soil. It is not good for next crop. So if the soil is too acidic or too alkaline, the plants do not show normal. The plant do not show normal growth. Productivity of the soil growth goes down. Fertility goes down. Productivity goes down. Acidic salts are treated with bases such as quicklime, calcium oxide, quicklime, calcium oxide CaO, calcium oxide, or slacked lime, pieces, rock piece or species of calcium oxide, calcium carbonate, calcium hydroxide CaOH, slacked lime CaOH, or chalk CHAL chalk, organic matter is added to the soil as it released acids and neutralize the soil. So, soil treatment with the help of, if the soil is acidified, you can add the basic material just like CaO, CaOH, chalk, CaCO3, sodium carbonate, sodium hydroxide, or sodium calcium, or calcium oxide. These are very, very profitable to neutralize the soil, to improve the fertility, to improve the growth of plants, to improve the growth of soil of plant is very, very important. So basic solution mostly used in field to to increase the growth of crop. Now the last point, factory waste. Factory waste. Factory waste also very important point, very important also. Liquid waste, effluent of many industries, contain acids. If liquid waste is allowed to flow into the water bodies, if liquid waste is allowed to flow into the wastewater bodies, they kill fish, they kill fish and other aquatic animal. These waterways cause of to kill the fish and other aquatic animals. Those are surviving in the canal, or those are surviving in the wastewater body of the ponds or canals or river also. To neutralize the acidic waste, industrial wastes are treated with bases to neutralize them. There is one particular system. The acids neutralized by the base and produce new salts which are not harmful to aquatic animals and fishes. So they prefer their pattern to neutralize the acid of the factory waste acids, bases to. So industrial wastes are treated with bases to neutralize them before finally releasing them into water body, wastewater body. Then they release wastewater body. Thank you very much.